26. What format must tool inputs and outputs follow? A. YAML. B. JSON-compatible types. C. Plain text only. D. CSV files. Answer. B. Explanation. Tool I/O must be JSON-compatible so it can be passed through the API. 27. What does the agent return when a tool is successfully called? A. Status code. B. Tool output included in the next assistant message. C. Nothing. D. A download link. Answer. B. Explanation. The assistant includes the tool's result in its next response. 28. What does functions in the API refer to? A. JavaScript snippets. B. Tool definitions for function calling agents. C. Webhooks. D. Math functions only. Answer. B. Explanation. Functions define the tools the assistant can call, now superseded by the tool's key. 29. Which role can define the initial instructions to guide the agent's behavior? A. User. B. System. C. Assistant. D. Tool. Answer. B. Explanation. System messages define how the assistant should behave. 30. What happens if an agent receives a tool call but no handler is provided? A. It crashes. B. The call fails and the agent retries or returns an error. C. The agent improvises. D. The tool is auto-generated. Answer. B. Explanation. The tool call needs a handler, otherwise, it fails or gets skipped. 31. Can OpenAI agents SDK tools call each other? A. No. B. Yes, if implemented in the handler logic. C. Only in Pro version. D. Only within the OpenAI dashboard. Answer. B. Explanation. While there's no native chaining, you can code handlers to call other tools. 32. What Python object is used to run an agent interactively in a script? A. Agent loop. B. Agent executor. C. Runnable agent or OpenAI agent. D. Agent thread. Answer. C. Explanation. You use agent classes like OpenAI agent to build and run agents. 33. What file format is commonly used to persist memory across sessions? A. XML. B. Doc. C. JSON or SQLite. D. TXT. Answer. C. Explanation. You can persist memory using JSON or a database like SQLite. 34. Which of the following enhances response determinism? A. Setting temperature to 0. B. Adding randomness. C. Using only system messages. D. Setting max_tokens to 10. Answer. A. Explanation. Temperature equals 0 makes the response deterministic and repeatable. 35. Which package might be used alongside OpenAI SDK to create a user interface for an agent? A. OpenAI UI. B. Agent GUI. C. Chainlet. D. tkinter GPT. Answer. C. Explanation. Chainlet is used to create a user interface for agents built with the OpenAI SDK or LangChain. 36. What would setting n equals 3 return in a chat completion? A. 3 agents. B. 3 alternative responses. C. 3 retries. D. 3 tools. Answer. B. Explanation. The n parameter generates multiple completions. 37. What Python type is expected for tool_call response payloads? A. File object. B. Pandas data frame. C. Dictionary. D. Tuple. Answer. C. Explanation. Tool responses are passed as dictionaries in JSON format. 38. How can agents be evaluated in production? A. By reading model weights. B. With TensorBoard. C. By logging inputs, outputs, and using user feedback. D. Using OpenAI Web Simulator. Answer. C. Explanation. Logging and feedback loops help evaluate and improve agent performance. 39. Which of these is a good use case for an OpenAI agent? A. GPU mining. B. Graphic design. C. Automating support tasks with tool usage. D. OS installation. Answer. C. Explanation. Agents excel in automating reasoning plus API usage, e.g., help desk tools. 40. Is multimodal input supported in the agent's SDK? A. Yes, but only text. B. No. C. Yes, via image inputs for GPT-4o and specific models. D. Only in enterprise. Answer. C. Explanation. GPT-4o supports image, text, and other input types. 41. What's a key benefit of defining tools declaratively? A. They are faster. B. The model can learn how to use them from descriptions. C. It compiles to JavaScript. D. Less memory usage. Answer. B. Explanation. Tool definitions with names and descriptions help models understand how and when to use them. 42. Which of the following allows structured I/O for tools? A. Flask forms. B. HTML tables. C. Pydantic models. D. JSON schemas only. Answer. C. Explanation. Pydantic is often used for structured validation of tool input/output. 43. Can the OpenAI Agents SDK handle streaming responses? A. No. B. Yes, using stream equals true. C. Only with Whisper. D. Only in JavaScript. Answer. B. Explanation. Streaming is supported by setting stream equals true in the API call. 44. What is a limitation of the Agents SDK? A. Cannot generate text. B. Doesn't include built-in memory by default. C. Can't call APIs. D. It's not available on pip. Answer. B. Explanation. Memory handling must be implemented manually. 45. Which tool helps you visualize agent interactions? A. Google Sheets. B. Langsmith or OpenAI evals. C. Notepad++. D. Pygame. Answer. B. Explanation. Langsmith and similar tools are used for observing agent behavior. 46. What is the first step in creating a custom agent? A. Build UI. B. Define its goal and required tools. C. Write API docs. D. Configure cron jobs. Answer. B. Explanation. Start by defining what the agent should do and which tools it needs. 47. Can agents call external APIs via tools? A. No. B. Yes, if the tool is implemented to do so. C. Only OpenAI APIs. D. Only on Linux. Answer. B. Explanation. Tools are Python functions and can interact with any API. 48. Which method runs the agent's full reasoning loop? A. Agent. Play. B. Agent. Brainstorm. C. Agent.run. D. Agent. Eval. Answer. C. Explanation. Run executes the full agent lifecycle including reasoning and tool usage. 49. What is the benefit of using the assistant role in messages? A. Acts as a comment. B. Triggers cost saving. C. Tracks what the assistant said last. D. It is deprecated. Answer. C. Explanation. Assistant role stores the model's responses in the conversation thread. 50. Where can you find official examples of OpenAI agents? A. PyTorch documentation. B. OpenAI cookbook on GitHub. C. VS Code snippets. D. Hugging Face spaces. Answer. B. Explanation. The OpenAI cookbook has working agent examples. Like and subscribe for more tech and AI-related videos.